Starting around 17 September 2023, torrential slide in a real sense is exchanging at $9.22 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.12% in all things considered, most recent 1 hour in a really significant manner. Avax truly has a truly complete market cap of $3,264,960,109, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $76,067,268, or so they basically thought. This generally makes torrential slide, Avax, especially positioning at 21 in the digital currency market, exhibiting how Avax in a real sense has a complete market cap of $3,264,960,109, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $76,067,268 in a very significant manner. On the off chance that you generally are a crypto financial backer, and considering what most certainly is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023, what will torrential slide truly be essentially worth in 2023? Or so they most certainly thought. Is torrential slide in every practical sense wise venture or extremely worth purchasing in 2023? Or so they generally thought. Will Avax cost in a real sense outperform its unsurpassed high in a really significant manner? These in a real sense are our torrential slide cost expectations for Avax's future, exhibiting that will Avax value sort of outperform its unequaled high, which really is genuinely critical. Torrential slide, Avax value expectation 2023. As per the torrential slide estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost explicitly is supposed to in every practical sense cross a truly normal value level of $14.49, the normal genuinely least value worth of torrential slide, toward the finish of the kind of current year, ought to especially be $13.85, which especially is genuinely critical. Besides, Avax can basically arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $16.26, which basically is genuinely huge. Avax value conjecture August 2023. In August 2023, the cost of torrential slide especially is estimated to be at around a very least worth of $12.11 in an unobtrusive manner. The torrential slide value worth can arrive at an especially limit of $13.77, with the in every practical sense normal exchanging worth of $13.39 in United States dollars and an in every way that really matters, huge way. Torrential slide, Avax, value gauge September 2023. The torrential slide, Avax cost for September 2023, may really arrive at an in every practical sense least worth of $13.14, while the truly greatest determined cost especially is around $14.30, which by and large shows that besides Avax, can especially arrive at a genuinely most extreme value level of $16.26 in a significant manner. The kind of typical cost for Avax most certainly is basically anticipated to essentially reach $13.65 in September 2023, certainly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide value figure October 2023. In October 2023, the cost of torrential slide for the most part is supposed to fundamentally be at around a sort of least of $13.29. Torrential slide cost can by and large arrive at an extremely limit of $14.85, with the especially normal cost of $13.93 in United States dollars in an unpretentious way. Torrential slide value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the extremely greatest cost for torrential slide could basically stretch around $15.55 in every way that really matters, in spite of prevalent thinking. Moreover, the minimum cost of Avax in November 2023 really is $13.57, with a genuinely normal cost of $14.20, which sort of shows that torrential slide, Avax value expectation 2023. As per the torrential slide gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Avax cost in every practical sense is supposed to basically cross an all things considered normal value level of $14.49. The normal pretty least value worth of torrential slide toward the finish of the in every practical sense current year ought to especially be $13.85. Most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Torrential slide value expectation December 2023. Torrential slide cost for the most part is supposed to reach between $13.85 to $16.26 in December 2023, while the fundamentally normal cost of Avax for the December sort of stays around $14.49. Torrential slide pretty past value examination. In the genuinely beyond 24 hours, the crypto especially has been in every practical sense diminished by 1.81% in its certainly current worth in a truly significant manner. Assuming we sort of look at the especially current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can really see that the market cap generally is additionally down, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Torrential slide, all things considered, is confronting a tough time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins in a for the most part significant manner. The Avax for the most part is down to nearly 3.34% in the especially most recent 7 days, so on the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the torrential slide cost expectation end of 2023, what will torrential slide especially be fundamentally worth in 2023? Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking, the coin is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for sort of past commonly couple of days. The coin could generally have sort areas of strength for of however, we don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in beautiful present moment, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Inside the for the most part most recent 1 month, the cost of Avax truly diminished by 56.570%, taking out an incredible fundamentally normal amount of $12.02 from its in every practical sense current worth in a by and large significant manner. This unexpected down sort of implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can basically be a very decent truly purchase and open door for by and large fast venture. Exhibiting that generally is torrential slide, an excellent speculation or worth purchasing in 2023 in a significant manner. The 90 days cost change in a real sense is near 48.15%, and the cost truly flowed from a kind of least really normal cost of $16.54 to pretty greatest sort of normal cost of $18.27 in the by and large beyond 90 days, or so they generally thought. Torrential slide in a real sense is somewhere near 23.64%, with the truly most extreme especially normal cost of the coin truly was around $11.78, and the kind of least kind of normal value of was around $11.56 in especially beyond 4 months in a kind of significant manner. Torrential slide value figure 2023 facts. What will basically be torrential slide especially worth in 2023? Which basically is very critical. The Avax cost in a real sense is determined to in every practical sense arrive at an exceptionally most extreme degree of $16.26, with essentially least cost of $13.85 toward the finish of 2023, which truly is genuinely critical. Torrential slides essentially have a future, which truly is genuinely huge. As far as value, torrential slide truly has an extraordinary truly potential to especially arrive at new levels, exhibiting that torrential slide, Avax,